Looking for kitchen tools that can keep up with your passion for cooking? Winco products deliver professional-grade quality that meets the high demands of any kitchen. Trusted by foodservice and hospitality experts worldwide, Winco's range, from tabletop essentials to kitchen utensils and food preparation supplies, has been a staple in commercial kitchens for over 20 years. Now, these reliable tools are ready to elevate your home cooking experience. I've seen firsthand how Winco's products stand out. They're built tough, designed to last, and crafted with the kind of attention to detail that serious chefs appreciate. Whether you're prepping a quick meal or tackling an elaborate recipe, having dependable tools makes all the difference. Winco's reputation isn't just talk. It's backed by decades of consistent performance in demanding restaurant environments. That means what you get is a product that won't let you down when it matters most. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen gear with trusted, professional quality products, Winco is worth a look. Their lineup offers everything from durable utensils to versatile food prep supplies that help you work smarter, not harder. Bring that same level of expertise found in top restaurants right into your home. Try Winco when you're ready to cook with confidence and precision.